Holy shit, guys, we have some big news out for XRP holders. So if you are a holder right now and you've been a little bit like, the market's so rubbish over the last couple of days, boy, do I have some news for you. XRP right now just went up 45% in the last 2 days. Absolutely incredible moves. In fact, in the last 2 hours, we have had a move of XRP of 27%. So the dormant stablecoin that everyone has been hating on is finally making some moves. But what on earth is going on? Before we jump into the reasoning behind this, guys, I do have here MARGEX. I love to use MARGEX right now because not only can you trade with leverage, but you can trade using altcoins as collateral. So if you're a holder of XRP and you're extremely bullish on it, you can actually deposit your XRP onto MARGEX, just like I have here. You can see main trade XRP, and you can actually use that as margin to make a trade. So if you wanted to open a trade now, long or short, you could use XRP as margin, and then if you actually generate a profit, long or short, you're going to be generating yourself some XRP. This is what I've been doing time in and time out in this market, and you can get up to $10,000 worth of a deposit bonus only if you follow my link. And guys, there is no KYC or VPN required for you to use MARGEX, so you can access it from anywhere in the world. Now, enough of me waffling on. Judge Torres has ruled that Ripple XRP must pay $125 million in civil penalties and stop any further violations of security laws, putting an end, guys, to a nearly 4-year legal battle it fought with the SEC. The SEC initially requested a $2 billion fine from Ripple, guys. This is massive. Let's actually look into this document. So this is a conclusion. The SEC's motion for remedies and the entry of final judgment is granted in part and denied in part. The court shall enter a final judgment enjoining Ripple for further violations of security laws and imposing a civil penalty of $125 million. The clerk of court is directed to terminate the motions at the ECF. All of that. So it's actually happened, guys. Ripple, I guess, has won. This is like pretty big, right? I mean, you would think the price would move a little bit more than this if they've actually won. So I think there's going to be a little bit more here, or maybe this is the first move upwards and then we're going to start to move once the market gets bullish. But this takes the reins off XRP. This case has been holding XRP back for a long time, and this could finally be the opportunity that the diehard XRP fans have been waiting for. The holders might finally actually get some moves here. As you know, here on this channel, I don't believe that XRP is going to $10,000 a coin. However, I do believe due to the community and the actual tech behind it, it does have a long way to go up. But we do have to have the market get a little bit more bullish. As we know recently, the market has been pretty scared, right? The last 72 hours have been crazy. We had Bitcoin down at $49,000. It did have a nice push upwards to a price of 57.5, and we have since pulled back since then. So we are in a little bit of a teeterboard, scary phase in the market, but playing right at the bottom of our support. Every other time we've hit a support here in this bull flag, we've had a monumental run of at least 20%. So I think this is going to happen again. And if Bitcoin starts to run again, the altcoins may also have a chance to run again. And of course, with this news, people are going to start looking over at XRP. They're going to want to trade XRP. They're going to want to make the best of the upside if it's there. And if it does turn out that this is it and XRP have won, and all the things that everyone's been saying about XRP come true, we could have a big move on our hands. Essentially, Ripple and XRP are ready to run in this bull market if we go into another euphoric phase. As of right now, we are clearly in a Bitcoin season. It's basically a fire sale to buy Bitcoin at the prices that it's at right now, according to the Bitcoin rainbow chart that we've been looking at for a long time on this channel. Bitcoin is at the bottom of a bull flag, meaning that it could have some monumental euphoric action very soon. We do want it to break really $68,000 and turn that into a support and head higher for us to really get the momentum. And guys, of course, we're going to need to get retail back. Retail involvement, who isn't you and I, we're also retail, but new retail excitement about the crypto market has not been this low since the last bear market. No one who isn't already in crypto, already a massive holder, is here. That's when we see the euphorics, the sparks flying. This is where meme coins go absolutely crazy when euphoria hits. And of course, XRP has the ability to do that without the fear, uncertainty, and doubt around this SECK. So I think this is very bullish, guys. Let me know if you managed to hold through the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt of XRP. I think this may be something that could kick off excitement in the market, but we do have a few things holding us back. We got Jump Trading, all right? They're selling millions of dollars an hour of Ethereum. They started again today. They will be out of Ethereum very soon. They got 63 million left. We do have another thing looming though. $450 million of funds moved. This is from a Ponzi a few years ago, from 2018 to 2019 Ponzi scheme. And they have wallets that are connected to this that are worth 1.9 billion at today's prices. Now, this isn't to say this is all going to hit the market and everyone's going to sell, but guys, this is the fear that has hit the market again today. But we have massive bullish news here of $5.7 trillion of assets under management that are connected to 15,000 Morgan Stanley wealth advisors that are now having the green light to go out and push Bitcoin ETFs to their clients. So of course, $55.7 trillion of assets of $1 trillion is not going to flow into Bitcoin, but these are the kinds of access that now can flow into Bitcoin. Even just 1% of this would make huge moves, right? There is also a little bit of fear now around Kamala Harris leading against Trump. Of course, Trump is bullish for crypto. Kamala Harris also came out to be pretty bullish to crypto. They just want to get votes, all right, guys? But this is another reason why the market is scared. Of course, we do also have the war potentially looming. We also do have recession potentially looming. So it is a scary time in the market. But like I've been saying, I think that the Fed is going to come out. They're going to reduce interest rates. They're going to kick the can down the road. The market is going to get over this. They're going to move on. For the short term, we're going to get euphoria come into the market again, I hope. And then in 2025, everyone will realize that the recession is actually still looming, and then we'll go into a bear market. But before that happens, we will hopefully have had the time to take profits, as many profits as humanly possible. So guys, there's only about 5% of you that have notifications turned on. So if you can, smash the subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you can be alerted when I make any video, because we have very time sensitive information that is released, one of the quickest channels in the space. So if you appreciate everything I do, all I ask in return is you hit that like button. If you do want to come and join me directly, there is a link to my Patreon down there. And if you do want to trade XRP right now with leverage, there is a link to MARGEX down there in the description. And remember, guys, if you follow my link, you can get $10,000 worth of a deposit bonus and no KYC or VPN necessary. With that said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.